Oh, okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. Before I start, I have some important things I need to remind everyone. The first one, we have two exams here. The midterm will be held on week number 9. Week number 9, and the final exam will be on week 17. Week 17. And week 18, I will explain the questions here. Questions here. Okay. Any question? The midterm and the final exam, two exams. Again, my policy encourage you to use all materials, including the electronic devices and paper notes, paper books. Everything is okay, but no communication, no discussion during the exam. Just write the test paper by yourself. And here, this afternoon, I added one sentence here. I do not encourage students to use AI to solve exam problems. Why? Why? Because not only students, including me, now I learned a lot of interesting things by myself, by watching videos, by watching materials from the website. But I try to learn there should be plural, should be skills, and establish logical thinking. Logical thinking, that is very important to solve problems. I think higher education, one of the key points is try to train. I have no idea in the US, in somewhere in Philippines, I have no idea. But in Taiwan, the higher education is horrible, very, very horrible. Because, sure, I'm a Taiwanese. I born in Taiwan. I was grown up in Taiwan, and I love Taiwan. But it doesn't mean I cannot criticize the education system in Taiwan, because we lack the critical thinking training. That is very, 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 very horrible. Very horrible. And I encourage you to train yourself like this. How to solve this problem? What I want to know your steps, your logic thinking to solve the problem. Not only the number. The correct answer should be number 5. The correct probability should be 0.25, something like this. It makes no sense. I think you can get a lot of correct answers as long as you type the question on the ChatGPT or some kind of artificial intelligence. But I think it makes no sense, because in the future it's impossible for you to do that. Sure. This world is changing very, very fast. I cannot say that. Never say never. But in the future, a little bit, few years, we can expect the model still running like this. That may not change the model immediately. So I encourage everyone. You may watch the video. You can study any kind of material during the exam, but prevent to throw your question to the AI. Then give me the answer. Then write down the answer. I will surrender the test paper. Then I will go to enjoy my dinner. No, I don't encourage you to do that. I cannot prevent you to do that. I cannot prohibit you to do that, because the computer is on your side. But I still encourage everyone to think how to do that. Okay. Then later I will explain a little bit, because I checked the test papers from everybody. Sure. I didn't give any grading of that. I just classified those test papers into 3 groups. The first group, second group, and third groups. And as I promised, I will not place the pretest into our final grading. Don't worry. I promise that. But I know some of you need to review your calculation skills. Also, that's my duty. It's my job. Remember, that's my duty. It's my $1 duty, $1 job. I need to do that. Okay. So I encourage you. I may spend some time on calculating, teach you how to calculate. So don't worry. I think after the kind of training, and you need to spend time to do that, you will remember the skills very, very quickly. Then we can continue on our statistics, some skills. Is it okay? Sure. I'm very friendly to students. Don't worry. I prevent to fail students, but you need to follow my suggestions. I don't recommend. I don't recommend. No, I don't use the term. You need to follow my suggestions to do some homework. Okay, and during the class, the same situation. I tried to. What a poor quality of the light bulb. Okay, I will respond to this because the light bulb, I think the life is close to the end. Okay, and you can follow my steps to calculate. And meanwhile, I highly suggest you to write down the digital notes as last semester. Why? Why? Because in the future, I can tell the supervisor, Dr. Yuda Chen, see, those students, they are hard workers. See, they study in the classroom, that's their notes. Then I can copy and paste your website to Dr. Chen, to your advisor, or even any chance I can copy and paste the link to your employee. So your employer, your boss. See, I didn't intend to do that, but I just accumulate a lot of digital notes during my study at Tainan University. So I always encourage students to write down your notes, especially digital notes. So I will leave some time for you to write your notes. I will not give a full-time lecture. It makes no sense. You cannot digest the content. It makes no sense. So I will encourage you to write down the digital notes. Okay? Okay, just one more reminder. Okay, test. Okay. Okay, about the group A, the maximum score is 80. Again, at least 2/3 of attendance, that is 10%. 2 open book exams, as I mentioned again, and I mentioned it again. Okay, no matter the score, you high or low, you need to finish those 2 exams. Okay, and return here, the final here. Okay, and as long as you fulfill the basic requirement in group A, if you want to do more, it's optional. You want to pursue the high score, that is the other 20%. Fulfill the requirement of group A, then class assignment, I will give you the assignment during the class. I encourage you to write the digital notes on the public website. Sure. $1. I have my IG account, Instagram account, I have Facebook account, I have Twitter X account. Can I publish my notes over there? Sure. But that is the priority is not the top one. I encourage you to publish your notes to the public website. Again, let me remind again, what does it mean, public website? The readers do not need to register an account in order to read your content. Why? It means your content on your personal website that is searchable. Everyone can search for them. For example, if I want to know something that the content is on the Instagram, but sorry, $1 applied an Instagram account maybe 8 or 9 years ago. I forgot it. And I never use Instagram. And remember one thing. Do you think Instagram, the company, can last for 100 years? Can you think that? All this kind of digital era, those digital companies may boost, may fail, may bankrupt in a few years. Yeah, thank you. Get it? So I highly encourage you to place your content to a public website. Sure, there are a lot of public websites you can use for free. Sure, in the future, if you want to expand your content for commercial purpose, you can use your website. You can use your website. Okay. And now we have quick review. We have quick review on our last time the test, the pre-test